Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have accessory for treadmill enthusiasts, the best arc filter for treadmills available on the market. If you're looking to enhance your workout experience and protect your equipment, you've come to the right place. So, what exactly is an arc filter? Simply put, it's a crucial component that helps maintain the cleanliness and functionality of your treadmill. Whether you're a casual jogger or a seasoned runner, keeping your treadmill in top condition is essential for longevity and performance. Let's delve into the features that make this arc filter stand out from the rest. Designed to trap dust, lint, and other particles. This filter prevents debris from clogging vital components of your treadmill, ensuring smooth operation over time. No need for complex tools or technical expertise. Installing this filter is a breeze, making maintenance hassle-free. Crafted from high-quality materials, it's built to last, providing reliable protection for your treadmill investment. Now, why should you consider investing in an arc filter? Here are the key benefits. By maintaining a clean internal environment, your treadmill operates more efficiently, translating to smoother workouts and extended lifespan. Avoid costly repairs down the road by proactively safeguarding your treadmill's mechanics with regular filter replacements. Let's walk through how easy it is to install and maintain this arc filter. I'll guide you step by step so you can see firsthand how simple it is to ensure your treadmill stays in peak condition. In conclusion, if you're serious about protecting your treadmill and optimizing your workout experience, investing in the best arc filter is a smart decision. Don't forget to check the description below for more details and where to get yours. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Product Critique for more unbiased reviews, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy running.